Hey you guys, it's Miss Lauren. In this video today, we're going to be reviewing nonfiction books. Nonfiction books are real books about real things, people, animals, places, and events. Did you know nonfiction includes true facts, has captions and labels, and teaches you something?
Dinosaurs, Discovery, Facts, Fossils, and Fun. Written by Daniel Cohen. Pictures by Russell Farrell. So this is the cover page, the title page. On the inside, you guys will see something called the table of contents. The table of contents tells you information by page number. So if you're looking for something specific, you can go to the table of contents, look for the name of what you're looking for, and it tells you what page to go to. All right. The title is The Age of Dinosaurs. The dinosaurs lived on Earth during that long period of time called the Mesozoic era, from 2025 million to 65 million years ago. The Mesozoic era is divided into three parts: the Triassic period, 225 to 200 million years ago, the Jurassic period, 200 to 135 million years ago, and the Cretaceous period, 135 to 65 million years ago. No single species of dinosaur lived throughout the entire Mesozoic era. Different species appeared, flourished, and became extinct. The dinosaurs that lived during the different periods were often vastly different from one another. At the start of the Triassic period, there were no dinosaurs, but there were creatures that were ancestors to dinosaurs. By the end of the Triassic period, however, animals like Colophysis and Plateosaurus that are fully recognizable as dinosaurs have become common. The Jurassic period saw a great flowering of different types of dinosaurs. It was a time of the gigantic sauropods like Apata. All right, this is a big tricky word, so let's try to break it up. Apatosaurus and Brachiosaurus, and of the strange looking Stegosaurus, the flying reptiles called Stegosaurus, and marine reptiles like Plesiosaurus and Ichthyosaurus also appeared. So, in nonfiction books, they oftentimes show us something called a chart or a graph. So, this says geological time in millions of years ago. So, they're showing us the age of the dinosaurs and the three different periods that we talked about: Triassic period, Jurassic period, and the Cretaceous period. Looking at this chart, which of the three periods was the longest? The Triassic, the Jurassic, or the Cretaceous? All right, let's continue, guys. During the Cretaceous period, the largest predator ever to walk the earth, the Tyrannosaurus rex, stalked the herds of ceratopsian or horned dinosaurs like Triceratops and the numerous hadrosaurs or duck-billed dinosaurs. The discovery of the dinosaurs. The dinosaurs lived so very long ago that until the 19th century, no one could even imagine that such creatures had ever really existed. Fossils, which are bones or other remains of these long extinct giants, have been found for many years, but they were considered oddities. Let's stop, friends. What do you think this word oddity means? What do we think the word oddity means? To be odd. All right, let's keep reading. Then in the 1920s, scientists in Europe began to examine these finds carefully. They realized that they were the remains of a special suborder of huge animals, and at first thought of them as giant lizards. In 1841, British scientist Richard Owen invented the name dinosaur, which means terrible lizard or terrible reptile. What are dinosaurs, or I'm sorry, guys, where are dinosaurs found? Dinosaurs have been found on all continents except Antarctica. During the age of dinosaurs, the continents were in different places from where they are today. Nearly all land masses were joined together. Today, with continents in their present positions, there are dinosaur sites all around the world. New dinosaur discoveries are found every year. A new view of dinosaurs. For well over a century is 100 years, you guys, dinosaurs were compared to modern lizards and crocodiles. Dinosaurs were thought to be sluggish, and because they had very tiny brains, stupid. Beginning in the 1960s, new discoveries and new interpretations of older evidence began to change this picture. We now know that dinosaurs were a lot more active than once believed. Some carefully cared for their young. They were a large, varied, and extremely successful group of animals that were rulers of the earth for 140 million years.
All right, guys, so I just read 2 pages from the book Dinosaurs, Dinosaur Discovery, Facts, Fossils, and Fun. So we've just completed our nonfiction reading. Next, I know that everybody remembers our ice cream scoops. Ice cream scoops are all of the facts that you have learned from your nonfiction topic, your nonfiction book. What have you learned? What did the book teach you? So this is Miss Lauren's example of how I filled out my nonfiction ice cream scoop. So it says nonfiction. It says the topic, the story is all about blank. And Miss Lauren filled in dinosaurs. This book is all about dinosaurs. For my first fact, I said that I learned that dinosaurs lived during the Mesozoic era. That's the time period that the dinosaurs lived, also known as the age of the dinosaurs, which we just read about. The second fact that I learned about is that the word dinosaur means terrible lizard. That's something I learned, something that I didn't know before I read this nonfiction book. And my third and final scoop is I learned that dinosaurs ruled the earth 140 million years ago. All right, you guys, so we just filled out our nonfiction ice cream scoop chart. Now I want you guys to see if you can fill out your own ice cream scoop nonfiction chart. So I challenge all of you at home to go onto your Epic accounts and read one nonfiction book. After you read that one nonfiction book, I'm going to attach this nonfiction ice cream scoop worksheet for you guys to fill out at home. You guys do not have to print out the worksheet. All you have to do is write your answers on a blank sheet of paper. And if you guys even want to take a picture and send it to either Miss Bryn or I, we'll upload it on our Google Classroom website. All right, guys, see you next time.